Halloween is just around the corner, and that means it's time to get everything ready. Costumes, decorations, and of course, the food. Let's be honest, Halloween wouldn't be the same without all those themed treats and recipes that everyone looks forward to every year. From fun-shaped cookies for kids, to quick snacks for a spooky movie night, or even a special dinner with family. Food is the perfect excuse to gather and have a good time. So why not organize everything with a Halloween-themed recipes menu? Welcome back to the official PDFelement YouTube channel. My name is Christina, and in today's video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to create a Halloween recipes menu and customize it with a personal touch to organize all your festive recipes in a handy and authentic way. Let's start with the basics. How do you make a Halloween recipes menu? Well, actually, there are many ways to do so, especially if you're kind of a pro at using graphic design software. However, something pretty cool you might not know about PDFelement is that creating recipe menus with it is actually the easiest way to do so. All you'd have to do is create your document using a template. With this feature, you'll have access to a wide range of templates for all kinds of documents. So, to make it easier to find the right template for creating our themed recipes menu, simply click on the Halloween tab to filter the results. Once you've picked a template, all you have to do is fill it in with the recipes and ingredients you're planning to make. And if you haven't decided on the recipes you want to prepare yet, I've got a quick tip that might help you speed up the process. Remember Lumi, our AI assistant? Well, by using its Chat with AI feature, you can search for recipe ideas or even ask for the ingredients to dishes you already know, but you're not quite sure how to prepare. Let's suppose for a moment that I'm hosting a costume party at my home, complete with fun activities like candle making and even a scary story contest. In situations like this, I'd probably prefer to prepare easy to grab and go food, since there may not be enough room for a conventional dinner, where everyone sits at the table. So instead of spending hours browsing recipes online, I can just describe the situation to Lumi and instantly get as many recipe suggestions as I need. In this way, all I'd have to do is add those recipes to the template I chose earlier. Pretty easy, right? But now that we've got the menu ready, it's time to think about the invitations. After all, every party needs invitations, right? Themed invitations might seem like extra work, but they really add a nice creative touch to the whole event. And something that few people know is that there's a trick to practically auto-generate them with PDFelement. In the AI Assistant menu, you'll find the Generate PowerPoint option. By selecting it, PDFelement will take you to an online presentation generator, where you'll be asked to pick a theme to begin the generation. Once selected, it will automatically create a presentation that summarizes and highlights your document's content, like a Halloween-themed recipe menu in this case. On the right side of the screen, there's a panel that we can use to explore different slide layouts with just a click. And just below, there's another tool we can use to edit the slide's content. As you can see, this feature does most of the work for you. You just need to fine-tune the details and add missing information, like the event date, a short summary of what's planned, and a section for RSVP. Making all these changes within seconds is impressive. But there's something even better I want to show you. The presentation maker automatically mentioned all the recipes from my menu in a creative way, but some of the images don't quite match. While the content editing tool is selected, selecting any image will allow you to easily replace it with one from your computer. This is great, since this will make it easy to insert the exact images I used on my menu in my invitation. But if you don't have any images that fit, you can use the AI illustration tool. This tool allows you to generate images based on a description. If you can describe it, you can create it. And in just a few minutes, my presentation transformed into a fun and personalized invitation. So all that's left to do is choosing a format to export and share. While both options, PDF and PowerPoint, are good, I'd personally recommend choosing PDF for two reasons. The first is that PDFs are more compatible across devices. so your design will look good whether it's viewed on a computer or a phone. And the second is that PDFs allow us to leverage Forms features to create some dynamic effects that you're going to love. This is the invitation I just made. And to give it a spookier and more interactive feel, I'd like to add some shapes that suddenly appear on the screen while people read the invitation. To do that, all you have to do is use the push button feature to select an area of the invitation that you know people will see. Once you've created the push button, open its properties window by double-clicking on it. Now select the icon only option from the layout options. Once you've set everything up, use this button here to select the image you want to come up when people hover their cursors over it. Then, before closing the Properties window, head to the Appearance tab and make sure both the border and fill colors are set to transparent. And there you go. Now every time someone hovers their cursor over this area, a spooky image will come up to surprise them. Ooh! Now, to spread many of these images across your document, you can use the Create Multiple Copies of Fields option from the context menu. Now it's your turn. Creating a Halloween-themed menu with PDFelement is super simple and fun. From recipes to invitations, you can customize every detail and make it truly unique. If you don't have PDFelement yet, don't worry. I'll leave a link in the video description to the official website so you can download it and start organizing your Halloween recipes today. Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'll keep bringing you more tips and tricks to make your work easier, and in the meantime, feel free to check out our other videos where you'll find plenty of tips to help you manage and edit PDFs like a pro. See you in the next video and have a spooktacular Halloween!